Okay, we got a Dish Network VIP 722K DVR. I'm going to take it apart and see what's inside. Okay. So you can stop it. So let's see. That's what the inside looks like. Let's see, looks like we got a hard drive in here. Let's see if we can get that out of there. So the front panel just slides off, and then we got some screws over here. So we got some LED indicator lights, and then this is apparently the remote control, and then we got some push buttons here, and let's see if we can take it apart. So get the hard drive out of here. Let's see, how's this thing? Okay. Okay. So we've got a hard drive. These damn connectors don't come off that easy. Okay. Okay, so it's a 500 gigabyte drive. Okay, got a nice fan out of there, 12 volts. Alright, so let's see if we can take this front panel off. It's connected to the main board. And okay. So there's the front panel. It's got LEDs. Looks like a USB connector. And some nice push button switches. Okay, so the ground is connected to the chassis, which is good. Left is the main board. Okay. Just gonna get these screws up here. Alright, so there's the board. And we got a Broadcom processor on there. Got some nice capacitors. I think I'll get those heat sinks off of there. Okay, so here's what we got off the board. We got a couple of transformers, got a big electrolytic, some heat sinks, some inductors, and a bunch of capacitors.